Have you ever seen a hybrid animal? Hybrid animals are usually the reproductive result of intercourse between two similar animals, like lions and tigers. Lab hybrid animals also exist. Scientists call the process somatic hybridization, and it allows them to manipulate genes to create new species with useful traits from both parents. Though there are many hybrid animals out there, what do you really know about them? Join us as we learn about some hybrid species. For our first hybrid animal, the liger. The liger is a hybrid offspring of a male lion and a female tiger and has a faint tiger-like striped pattern upon a lionesque tawny background. The liger is often believed to be the largest cat in the world, with males reaching a total length of 9.8 to 11.8 feet, which means that they rival even large male lions and tigers in length. Though ligers typically have a life expectancy of around 13 to 18 years, they are occasionally known to live into their 20s. For our next entry, zebroid. A zebroid is the offspring of any cross between a zebra and any other equine to create a hybrid, and have been bred since the 19th century. They typically consume fruits, vegetables and other plants, but are more fond of grasses. Zebroids have a height of around 51 to 64 inches and weigh around 500 to 990 pounds, with a life expectancy of 15 to 30 years. They physically resemble their non-zebra parent, but are striped like a zebra. The stripes generally do not cover the whole body and might be confined to the legs, or spread onto parts of the body or neck. Up next, grolar bear. A grolar bear is a cross between a grizzly and polar bear, and is a rare ursid hybrid that has occurred both in captivity and in the wild. Grolar bears have a thick, creamy white fur with brown patches around the eyes and on the legs and paws. These hybrid bears in the wild dwell in the northern regions of North America and can reach up to 5 feet in height, and can grow up to 10 feet in length. Its diet consists of large mammals, such as caribou and bison, but they have also been known to eat seals, reindeer, carrion, fish, berries, and clams. The heaviest one reported was said to weigh 1,100 pounds. Next up, camas. Camas are a hybrid between a male dromedary camel and a female llama, and has been produced via artificial insemination at the Camel Reproduction Center in Dubai. The first cama was born on January 14, 1998. The aim was to create an animal capable of higher wool production than the llama, with the size and strength of a camel and a cooperative temperament. Much like camels, camas are herbivores that eat shrubs and other plant matter. As they can drink large amounts of water at a time, they can survive with little or no water for long periods. Since it was created in 1998, a cama's lifespan is unknown as of yet. Up next, the leopon. A leopon is the result of breeding a leopard and a lion, and occurs only in captivity. The first documented leopon was bred at Kolhapur, India, in 1910. They have brown rather than black spots and tufted tails, and they climb like leopards and seem to enjoy the water more than lions do. They eat the same meat fed to the lions and leopards in the zoo, and on average, they weigh between 120 to 250 pounds and can be up to 7 feet long, including their tail. The average life expectancy of leopons is around 12 to 15 years in the wild, for the ones that are released. However, in captivity, where they receive proper care and nutrition, their lifespan can extend up to 20 years. Next up, beefalo. The beefalo is a hybrid offspring of domestic cattle, usually a male in managed breeding programs, and the American bison, usually a female in managed breeding programs. The breed was created to combine the characteristics of both animals for beef production. They range in color from fawn to red and black, and when fully grown, stand at around 4.5 feet tall and weigh roughly between 900 to 2,000 pounds. For our final hybrid animal, The tigon. The tigon is a hybrid offspring of a male tiger and a lioness. They exhibit visible characteristics from both parents. They can have both spots from the mother and stripes from the father. They do not exceed the size of their parent species, and the average tigon measures between 4 to 9 feet long and weighs around 200 to 350 pounds. So, what did you think of our selection of hybrid animals? Has anyone ever seen one of these in person? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.